Hello, my name is Malte Kofka. I'm Managing Director of Münzing CHEMIE, GmbH and CFO of the Münzing Group. The Münzing Group was established in 1830, which means we're 200 years old and a family business for 200 years. Dr. Michael Münzing runs the company, which is now in its 6th generation of ownership, together with me and our COO, Patrick Lowry. We generate almost 300 million euros in turnover, are active at 5 production sites worldwide. Our challenge is to develop solutions together with our customers to improve their applications. We make specialty chemicals and develop products together with our customers at our 5 technology centers worldwide. Our biggest challenge is to remain competitive on a global scale. For this reason, we decided many years ago to establish various production sites in the countries where we are active, and we are active around the world. To manage this level of complexity, we had to digitalize and standardize our processes. This only works in collaboration with outstanding software solutions. In ProLeiT, who we've been working with for many years, we've found an excellent partner.
Hi, my name is Daniel Seidler. I'm a consultant at ProLeiT, and I've been providing guidance to Münzing CHEMIE on their digitalization journey for 10 years now. From the first pilot projects to worldwide rollouts, our collaboration with Münzing CHEMIE is based on a long-standing partnership that's now spanned almost 20 years. A key milestone was the launch of the batch IT system. That was a real boost for digitalization. It was the first time that complex process instructions had been implemented in a digital recipe control system. Further digitalization projects are gradually being rolled out, such as real-time interfaces to the ERP system, scanner solutions, or the automatic generation of reports for digital document management.
The main global challenge we face is establishing secure processes. We need to ensure that product quality at our other sites matches the standards we've consistently achieved in Europe and America for generations. To help with this, we utilize software, a production control system that can be applied at all our sites, thereby allowing us to easily transfer processes, recipes, and products quickly between various production plants.
Today we can proudly say, production at Münzing CHEMIE is fully paperless, and every step, from raw material addition to filling, is controlled and recorded digitally. This obviously helps save time, boost transparency, and ensure traceability.
One of our biggest challenges is to manage the complexity. Due to the various production sites we've established over the past few years, we need to ensure that we produce as paperlessly as possible, while utilizing digital processes in such a way that our various systems, including an SAP system, ultimately communicate with production on a global scale and in line with cutting-edge standards. And we've achieved this through the launch of ProLeiT at all our production sites.
A key aspect is always safety. For example, our scanner solution allows raw materials to be recorded in advance, thereby displaying relevant pictograms that indicate hazardous substances and safety measures. This ensures that employees are properly informed and protected. Automatic logging guarantees that every step can be traced. Operator interventions and material movements are fully documented without the need to sign or file paper documents.
My name is Sven Schultz. I'm a plant manager at Münzing CHEMIE in Heilbronn and responsible for the digitalization of our production systems. A crucial milestone was 2019, which saw the launch of the batch orchestration system. This enabled us to transition our processes from a generally manual approach to digitally controlled processes. That was a real boost for digitalization at Münzing. We're particularly proud of our paperless production, thanks to the process control technology in combination with scanner solutions and interfaces to the ERP system. All orders, production notes, and raw material consumption are now controlled, recorded, and archived digitally. Yet another advantage is the improved traceability. Production and consumption data can be retrieved at any time. Claims can be clarified in just a few minutes, something that once took several hours.
Hello, my name is Anna Hertes. I'm a project manager at ProLeiT by Schneider Electric, and I oversee the collaboration between ProLeiT and Münzing CHEMIE. My focus is on international rollout, especially in the USA. Following the successful launch of Plant IT in Heilbronn, we've been able to roll out this standard worldwide in recent years. The hardware independence of the batch orchestration system has helped us very much. It can be integrated into various infrastructures.
The standard is also essential for our international work. Once developed, processes can be efficiently transferred to other plants, for example to Malaysia or the USA. This allows us to ensure standardized processes and high quality worldwide.
My name is Norman Pobas. I have global responsibility for sustainability at Münzing CHEMIE. At Münzing CHEMIE, digitalization plays a central role in our sustainability strategy. With the ProLeiT software, we have a powerful tool at our disposal that helps make our production processes more efficient and transparent. A key aspect is the end-to-end and fully comprehensible data acquisition. All relevant process data is recorded automatically and thus available for analysis at any time. This creates transparency and enables us to specifically identify opportunities for improvement, both in our daily operations and in pursuit of our long-term sustainability goals.
Our vision is inspiring passion for sustainability. What does this mean? Our solutions are intended to help us optimize the applications and products of our customers, and we constantly aim to think in terms of generations while developing sustainable products for future generations. Our goal is to be CO2 neutral by 2040 and free of CO2 emissions by 2050. The only way to achieve this is by establishing good digital solutions at our plants.
A prime example is our energy management. Through the detailed recording of energy consumption with the aid of ProLeiT, we can identify specific measures to utilize resources more efficiently. This not only helps reduce our energy consumption, but also supports the achievement of our climate targets. Moreover, it provides us with the necessary data and analyses to meet the requirements of ISO 50001.
Sustainability plays a key role in our collaboration. Our energy management system records all relevant energy flows, enabling us to achieve targeted and traceable savings on energy. An example of cost and energy savings. The reactor heaters are fired up in a time-controlled manner to coincide with the start of production. This saves energy, reduces costs, and enables an immediate start of production for our employees.
A central result of our digitalization strategy is automation. Thanks to our process control system, operators can control several reactors simultaneously, as many processes are automated and recipe controlled. Digitalization is more than just a technology for us. It's a driver of efficiency, security, and global scalability, while consistently keeping people at the center. A key factor of success for our joint projects is, in my opinion, the honest and open communication with Münzing. It enables us to always tackle challenges early on and to overcome them together.
A major advantage is the choice of cost-effective scalability. Once developed, processes can be rolled out worldwide, efficiently, consistently, and to a high standard of quality. This facilitates collaboration between sites and ensures standardized control.
A local solution has become a global standard that we now employ successfully at multiple sites.
The Münzing ProLeiT story is an awesome example of what long-term partnerships can achieve. And I'm proud to be part of it and that we can tell the story.
For us, this close, trusting collaboration is a central factor of success and a genuine example of an equal partnership.